So tell me some messages for the young orthopedicians who are starting their career. How should they plan that?
Yeah, I think I would tell young orthopedic surgeons is be interested in research and development and audit and that kind of a thing, and also be aware of institutions like Doctorpreneur Academy. So you may think that maybe for seniors and things like that, but a lot of basics are being taught, which is not taught in our curriculum, unfortunately, like finance, like communication. There's so many legal aspects. All these things are kept away from us. I think joining a community like Doctorpreneur community can help them also look at the soft skills, and they need to develop, because I see this in London. I see a young boy coming, year 4 medical student. He says, Mr. Sri, I want to do research. I want to publish this. I want to go to Singapore. I want to present this paper in year 4. And I used to do it as a registrar, not as a SHO, but these now medical students are coming to me and doing. Write a book and then you become an author, you become an authority. And those things are very, very valuable things which our younger generation have to learn. They are very clever, younger generation, but they have to just get a proper mentorship from people like yourself and Amit sir, and then get on. That's what is my message.
So thank you. You're praised so much.